Hey guys, let's check out. As you see in the picture, JioMart 50% off store plus blockbuster deals plus coupons and a review on frozen Hyfun pizza making, and this deal is available at 50% off. Here I'm showing you as how you can go for deals and 50% off store. As you see in the picture, you can go to JioMart, go to quick to access 50% off store, and you can go for scheduled delivery to get deals at 80% off. Now we'll see as how to get a coupon on JioMart. You can go to JioMart app. On the home screen itself you will see this kind of icon. See, you can click on that and have access to offers, and you can go for coupons as shown here. Click on the banner and read all the terms and conditions and click on reveal coupon. You can copy the coupon and click on shop now. You can add to the cart the specified products, but what is specified is not mentioned in the coupon details, so you just try out. And as you see in the picture, once you go to cart, you go to coupons and paste the coupon that was previously copied. Just click on apply and check out. Okay, hello, namaste, how are you all doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling, right? This is Flying Skies 1 welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. As you see in the picture, we have ordered on JioMart Quick Hyfun frozen pizza. These are two flavors. We have got it for 60 rupees. That means 80% off. We have got, as you see in the picture, this pizza is dietitian recommended and it is nutrition packed. We'll check out as how to make pizza in 10 minutes using microwave. As you see here, 2 sachets are given for seasoning, right? It looks colorful with healthy toppings and it tastes good. It's a good quality pizza you can enjoy just in 10 minutes. As you see in the picture, you preheat oven and bake for 9 to 10 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. And your pizza is ready to eat. You can make pizza on tawa or skillet as well, which I'll show you in the later part of the video. And let me tell you, you can eat this Hyfun frozen pizzas guilt-free because it is low in sugar, it is low in sodium, it's low in fat, and you can check out the nutrition information that has been given on the pack, and so it is dietitian recommended. You can include this pizza in your dietary plan, right? So you can enjoy this Italian dish with Hyfun pizza. Do binge on and enjoy guilt-free, right? Okay, let's move on. Making margarita Hyfun pizza on tawa or skillet. This also takes minimum 9 to 10 minutes. As you see in the picture, this is topped with cheese. It takes just 9 to 10 minutes. You can preheat tawa as shown in the picture. Preheat until the tawa is hot, then place the pizza and cover it with the lid as shown here, and make sure the flame is turned to low. After 9 to 10 minutes, the pizza would be ready. You can serve hot and taste yummy and tummy healthy pizza. You can go for seasoning the pizza with chili flakes to have some flavorful or spicy pizza. So it's very simple and easy, right? To have pizza in 10 minutes. So all the cheers and applause goes to Hyfun pizza makers, right? Super cheesy, right? As you see in the picture. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you all.